32 Ways to Refresh a Brick Fireplace. In this one-bedroom apartment decorated by Facet 14, an exposed brick fireplace and wall combo bring on the cozy. Furniture and decorative accessories in vibrant colors look stunning next to unpainted brick. Here, the two blue velvet chairs and pink wall art enliven the space. If you love the look of time-worn brick reminiscent of centuries-old European homes, consider giving your fireplace the German smear treatment. It's a faux antiquing technique that uses wet mortar to give brickwork a big dose of old-world charm. Get the look of antique brickwork with a painting trick by Jennifer Allwood at the Magic Brush. She and her team carefully applied gray paint immediately followed by an ebony stain sealer to each brick. To bring a graphic element to this project, they didn't paint the mortar. Updating a living room that's seemingly frozen in the 1970s is possible with these easy tips from Cindy at Edith and Evelyn Vintage. After scraping off the popcorn ceilings and ripping out the baby blue carpet in the space, she refreshed a red brick fireplace with light gray paint. Afterward, she updated the blocky mantel with crown molding. If your living room gets lots of natural light, consider painting your fireplace a dramatic dark color. Case in point, this sun-drenched space styled by Tanya at Dan's Lake House. She made the large, bright room feel cozier by pairing the gray wall with a mix of colorful decor. Think of your fireplace as a neutral backdrop. Interior designer Timothy Godbold used this whitewashed fireplace as a stage for two photographic prints. The artwork reflects the blue and black colors used throughout the room. When renovating this home, designed by American architect William Worcester in 1939, Butler Armsden Architects exposed the brick on the fireplace to show off the fingerprints left by the original mason. A black metal flue gives the update an industrial edge. Give a traditional fireplace a fresh twist with dark paint. In this mid-century modern home updated by Donna Dufresne Design, charcoal gray walls paired with a simple, rustic mantel gives the living room a chic yet casual vibe. Tone down a large brick fireplace with a neutral color. This fireplace project by Chelsea Foy of Lovely Indeed took 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. Decorative accessories, including a ukulele, bring on the whimsy. The exposed brick fireplace in this home remodeled by Open Meadow Renovations only adds to the farmhouse kitchen's charm. The brick veneer over the oven contributes to the room's rustic appeal. Fresh pastel colors coordinate beautifully with exposed brick fireplaces. This real-world example by Julia Ryan, the blogger behind Polly's Island Posh, features creamy decor and baby blue walls combined with a styled fireplace. This mid-century house, updated top to bottom by Jessica Helgerson Interior Design, features a soothing, neutral color palette. Painting the brick fireplace white seals the deal on the living room's calming tone. Fake the look of Staffordshire blue brick with an ingenious idea from the suburb experiment. Paint a red brick fireplace a deep shade of matte blue. When the first coat of paint dries, apply a color wash and then quickly wipe it off with a clean, dry towel. To make the wash mixture, mix 1 part blue paint and 1 part white paint with 4 parts of water. The goal of this project by Simply Home Decorating was to transform a dreary living room into a fantastic space filled with light. Cherry-picked furniture in soft pastel colors, organic wood accents, and a brick fireplace painted white are a few of the ingredients that make the room so appealing. Slip-covered sofas, frilly throw pillows, and vintage furniture are the hallmarks of shabby chic style. This cozy home by the Decorologist exemplifies the design aesthetic with a homey, painted fireplace. In this Brooklyn townhouse remodeled by Allison Jennison Interiors, an old firebox provides a unique focal point. The dark bricks in varying shapes contrast dramatically against the stone mantel and the more orderly brick feature wall. Stacked logs for a wood-burning fireplace become an attractive focal point in this home remodeled by Jessica Helgerson Interior Design. The painted brickwork echoes the white walls and pale furnishings that surround it. Colorful accents are what makes this small family room by Kevin Twitty Interiors feel extra cozy. Decorative pieces in both warm and cool tones jump out against the green painted fireplace. Whether your decorating style leans toward maximalism or minimalism, a white painted fireplace can add alluring texture to a room. It's also a fantastic way to make cheap bricks or brick veneer look expensive, as demonstrated in this newly constructed fireplace by Aaron and Kirsten at House of Jade Interiors. This 1927 home was given new life with fresh wall colors and modern finishes, thanks to Lisa Britt Designs. The fireplace features gorgeous Art Deco grillwork. Painting the brick around it a soft shade of gray allowed this unique feature to pop. Adding to the fireplace's charm is the lovely mantel with its dental detail. In most homes, the fireplace is a central element, and all the furniture and decorative accessories in the same room usually revolve around it. This can pose a challenge when you're working with a bold, brick fireplace that's not exactly your style. Turning a brick fireplace into a stunning accent wall for displaying art is a cinch with paint. The designers at Stuart Sampley Art Architect chose a shade of bluish gray that works with the room's soothing boho vibe. Create an earthy aura by combining a wood mantel with a brick fireplace painted white. In this New York City living room by Allison Jennison Interiors, a leather lounge chair and copper end table add to the room's visual warmth. You don't have to paint your existing brickwork to brighten things up. In this traditional living room styled by Andrew Flesher Interiors, a white, full surround mantel updates an old brick fireplace. Jennifer at the Crux used to refer to the red brick fireplace in her basement as the wall-to-wall monstrosity. The problem? She felt that its color smothered the room with darkness. So she painted it light gray. Exposing the masonry in this colorful bungalow remodeled by Work Building Modern gave the home an open, loft-like feeling. Below the mantel, the brickwork was given a solid coat of white paint. For some visual interest, the painted brick above the fireplace received a distressed finish. Black paint transformed the non-working fireplace in this Victorian home, remodeled by Lynn Cleonidas, into a show-stopping feature. To make the most of the living room's dramatic high ceilings, the mantel is topped off with a ginormous gold-framed mirror. Some combinations are perfection, like peanut butter and jelly or, in the case of Cozy This Living Room, blue and white paint. In this New York City residence decorated by Allison Jennison Interiors, a painted fireplace pops against navy blue walls. A framed print and a snake plant sprinkle on additional colors. Add a little pizzazz to a white painted fireplace with a colorful back panel. This lovely example spotted on Studio McGee features a chic herringbone pattern in yellow tile. When updating this 1920s bungalow, Sean and Sarah Martin from Open Door Architecture painted the brick fireplace and mantel wall a greenish shade of gray. The wood trim and beige walls add depth and contrast to the room. Refresh your sooty brickwork with limestone. After scrubbing her fireplace clean with a brush and white vinegar, Lauren at Blesser House applied a lime wash made from natural limestone. The result is a pristine fireplace with a chic, chalky finish. The moody living room in this modern farmhouse by Andrew Flesher Interiors pairs navy blue walls with a black brick fireplace. The oak mantel and colorful furniture add a little room brightening contrast. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.